Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this video I am going to do the dumbest waffle so far. I am going to waffle pot pie. If you didn't watch the pot pie episode or video, go back and do that. It's a good one, and it's really good. So I don't really know how this is gonna work, so we're just gonna wing it, and I'm gonna give it one shot. I'm not gonna do multiples because this makes no sense to waffle a pot pie. We're gonna do it though. Let me show you my waffle iron. It is dated 1925. It's Wagner, and it's in 3 pieces. I've got 2 waffle plates. And in the base has a seat on it, and the plates fit in that. And you rotate it and make waffles. The waffle iron has to be preheated, so we will light our trusty rusty camping stove. Preheat each side for about 3 minutes on a medium heat, and then we will add the pot pie ingredients. The waffle iron is preheated, and I'm going to give it a quick spray with some vegetable oil spray. I pre-measured these so that they were the same around as the waffle iron. This is a 1/3 cup of the filling, which I show you how to make that in the pot pie video. Spread that out a little bit. Okay, whatever. Then I'll put the top on. I guess I'll try to crimp it a little. I don't know. Quick. And alright, give the top a spray. Alright. I'm gonna just do the waffle thing and do 3 minutes per side with a little increased heat. We'll see what happens. The waffle pot pie has cooked for 3 minutes on each side, and let's see if I can get it to turn loose. Check on it. It's not awful. Okay, I'm gonna let it go another couple minutes, see if we can get this to brown up. I'm gonna do 2 more minutes on each side, and we'll see what that looks like. I cooked the waffled pot pie an additional 2 minutes on each side, and it's not awful. It turned out way better than I thought. I thought that this was going to be the dumbest thing to try. Let's get this out of here. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, and then I'll cut it up and try it. Chicken pot pie waffle popped out of the waffle iron pretty easily thanks to the cooking spray, and it cooled off. I have cut it into quarters. I'm gonna give it a try. It has a lot more crust than what the other one did, just because I don't really know how much filling to put in this, because I needed it to smush down enough to where I could turn it. crust is really good. Okay. So I learned a lot from waffling a pie. Instead of a 1/3 cup of filling, maybe 2/3 cup of filling. That would spread it out a little more to the edges. This was not dumb. I take back everything I said at the beginning. I don't know that I recommend it, but you can waffle a pie, and a pot pie at that. Thanks so much for watching.